Hi, in this presentation, I'm going to discuss product funnels, what they are and what they are not. This presentation is brought to you by Joe Okoro. I am an online coach and blogger. Before we get started, I want you to answer the following questions. Do you do business online? Are you a marketer of any type of goods online? Are you an affiliate marketer, an internet marketer, or a network marketer? Do you have your own line of products that you wish to sell with the internet? If you answered yes to any or more of these questions, then you need to pay special attention to this presentation. Why do you need to pay special attention? Because by the time you understand what a product funnel is, and by the time you implement a product funnel in your own business, it will be responsible in multiplying the result you get from your business by 500% or more. Now, before we get started, I want you to understand what a product funnel is. And I'm sure that you might be asking that question in your mind. What exactly is a product funnel? Well, here is the definition I gave to it. My own definition, the first one is a product funnel is the gradual development and offering of products you create over time to solve the needs of your subscribers. That is my first definition. Or you can put it this way. A product funnel can also be referred to as a lineup of different products that you offer to an established customer at different price points and or at different times to increase value for the customer and to increase your bottom line profit. That's the best definition I can give to it. Now that you have the understanding of what a product funnel is, I want you to remember the following facts. That for you to have a product funnel, you need to understand that a product can be a physical product, it can be a digital product, it can also be a service, and it could be a product that is not tangible at all. Now, having that at the back of your mind, let us look at some samples of a product funnel. We are going to look at a general online business product funnel. How does it look like? Take a look at this image. Now, if you look at this image, you see that this image is a funnel. And at the beginning of the funnel, you see free, followed by a price point, $1 to $50, followed by another price point, $51 to $200, followed by another one, $1,000, and so on. What this means is that in the beginning of the funnel, when you are doing business online, you exposed your website to a lot of people. A lot of people knows about your product. The fact that a lot of people knows about your product do not mean that a lot of them or the number of people who knows about your product will also patronize you. And that is why the lower end of the funnel, where you see from $1 to $50, has a lesser volume of people compared to the number of people who knows your business. So what it means is that a percentage of everyone who knows your business will patronize your business. And when they are starting with your business, most of them start from your lowest priced product. And that's why you see $1 to $50. And once a customer buys that product, you see that a percentage of your customers still goes ahead to buy your higher price product. This time around, we have $51 to $200. What it means is that a lesser number of people who bought from the $1 to $50 range will also patronize you and buy a higher product or service that you are offering. Okay, now of those who also buy from 51 to 200, you see that a lower fraction of that number will buy your highest paid product, and that is where you get to $1,000, and so on and so forth. And if you also take a look at this one, is you know that as the price increases, the funnel goes down. What it means is lesser number of people buys from you at higher amount, but at the end of the day, you make more money from those who are buying lesser number of your product or services than the general populace who are buying more volume from your business. Well, that is a general look at what a product funnel is like. We're going to take a look at two examples of product funnels implemented in common businesses we have today. The first example we're going to look at is we're going to look at the product funnel of a digital coaching and teaching business. Let's say a consultant agent whose line of business is to teach and coach students, clients. Okay, let's assume that a business has this funnel. Now, if you look at that funnel, that image there is also like a funnel, and that is why it's called a product funnel. At the top there, you see free. If you look at the top of the funnel, you see that what it means is that people get to know about the business either by paying a low amount of money or by entering it free. For this very business, the name of the business is NAMS. Okay, now you see that at the top of the funnel is where the lead generation, that is building a list from cold traffic, comes in from. What it means is that this business exposes its website to tons of people and build an email list. And when some of these people enters from the top of the funnel, a lot of them are free. Some of them will buy their low price product of $17 to $47. And if you look at that arrow, they say $17 is 100% commission lead gen specialized training courses. Now, of the number of people who entered from the top of the funnel, a lower number of them also buys a higher price product, this time around from $27 to $157 worth of products. This is also lead generation products. Okay, this lead generation sales is used by the company to run more adverts so that they will continue to get more leads and subscribers into their business. Of those who join at this point, you find out that the percentage of them still goes on to buy another product, a monthly Insiders Club membership product for $37 or $365, depending on the package of that product. I see if you go down, it increases to $197 to $497 or even $2,000, $3,900. You see that at the low end of the funnel, we have $3,999. We also have $10,000 and we have $25K. Okay. Now from the $3,000, you see that the purpose here is it says lifetime Insiders Club. Okay. And you see that the number of people buying this, they are reduced compared to the top, followed by the ones under the top, and so on and so forth. And for those who are paying $10,000 to this business, you see that the person is accepting just 5 people for 1 weekend to coach them on the business. Okay, and for someone who is paying $25K, that's where the funnel ends, the highest priced product. The person is allowed to come for a home coaching for 2 days with the business. So this is a sample of what a product funnel is. So you see that this product funnel is price point of different types of product. You see that as a subscriber enters the funnel and buys a product, he is introduced to another product. As he is introduced to that product, if he buys it, he still gets introduced to another higher price product. And the purpose is to allow the customer to get the highest value of service for his money while building a huge revenue for the owner of the business. Now, this is for a digital coaching and teaching business. This product funnel can also be applied in another type of business. For example, in e-commerce. If you are doing e-commerce, let's look at how a product funnel for an e-commerce business looks like. Now, this is a product funnel for an e-commerce business. As you can see, this is also a funnel. It is a generalized sales cycle for e-commerce stores. So let's assume you have an e-commerce product that you're selling, and you have a store online. At the top of the funnel is where visit store is. That is where majority of the people who comes to your site they see your website first, and that is why you see at the top here it says visitor lands on your website. Using a tracking pixel, you can begin remarketing ads. Now, of those who visit your site, a number of them views the product. Okay, and once they view the product, there is a chance that they will buy the product from you. Okay, and once they buy the product from you, you find out that a lower number of them buys the product, and that is where you see start checkout, the blue button, the blue part of the funnel says if you have captured an email address, send visitor reminders and coupons to complete a purchase. Okay, so you see that this portion of the funnel is lower in size or volume to this one where a visitor views your product and has shown interest in that product. Okay, then once a visitor starts receiving your email follow-ups because you have captured their email address and you are building an email list, then start checking out your product and possibly making a purchase, you still offer an upsell. An upsell is another product offered after a visitor buys your product. Okay, and once that happens, you continue to offer related product. I find out that the more a customer buys your product, a higher ticket product, the lower the funnel gets at the end of the funnel. So this is a typical example of a product funnel for an e-commerce business. Now, what business can use product funnel? Well, a lot of businesses can use product funnel to enhance the returns they get from their business. Normal brick and mortar business can do that. An internet marketing entrepreneur can do that. Network marketers can do that. E-commerce marketers can do that, as I have shown you. Affiliate marketers can do that. And in fact, anybody who sells any type of products online can do that. So you start to see that anybody who sells product online can use a product funnel for their business. When you have a well-developed product funnel, you'll find out that you'll be able to offer your clients different products at different price points without adding more work on your own parts. And at the end of the day, you will make more money selling to one customer. With this video presentation, I believe that you now have an understanding of what a product funnel is. And if you enjoy this very presentation, please join my free masterclass on how to sell online and make money. Go to inboxmarketingformula.com/masterclass. Thank you for watching.